Hey everyone! If you own a DJI Mini 4 Pro or a Mini 3 series drone and love taking it out for a spin, then today's topic is something you absolutely need to consider: getting the DJI Mini 4 Pro/Mini 3 series two-way charging hub. Trust me, it's a must-have for any drone enthusiast. Why do I say it's a must-have? Well, if you've ever found yourself spending more time charging batteries than actually flying your drone, you know how frustrating that can be. Typically, a drone can fly for about 34 minutes on a full charge, but recharging that battery can take a few hours. Now imagine you have 3 batteries to charge. Without a charging hub, you might have to charge each one individually, possibly using your drone as a charger. That could mean up to 10 hours of charging time, and worse yet, 10 hours without flying. Now, consider this: with the DJI Mini 4 Pro/Mini 3 series two-way charging hub, you can charge all your batteries overnight, without any supervision, and wake up the next day ready to fly. The hub is smart, too. It charges the battery with the highest charge level first. This means you get one fully charged battery as quickly as possible, then it moves on to the next highest, and so on. No more manually switching batteries when one is done, and no more wasting precious time. I've noticed something else that's important to keep in mind. Batteries can lose charge even when they're not in use. I had 2 batteries left in the hub, and used after a full charge, and they lost a level of juice in less than a month. So, if you're planning a big day of flying, make sure to top off those batteries the day before. In short, the DJI Mini 4 Pro/Mini 3 series two-way charging hub is a game changer. It keeps your batteries ready to go, saves you from the hassle of manual charging, and ensures you spend more time enjoying your drone and less time waiting around. For any serious drone user, this is a no-brainer. Get yourself a charging hub and take your drone experience to the next level.